Everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. We are actually down in Maricopa, Arizona, so a little south of Phoenix, doing a home inspection, checking out the electrical panel, and there's some wiring issues underneath the panel, so let's take a look. So when we're checking out the electrical panel, one of the bigger things we saw right here is the main service connect coming in here is cracked, exposing the wires. This is a common problem. The house is here, and then everything in the ground around the house settles and kind of pulls that pipe and breaks it. So electrician needs to repair that. And then looking over here to the side, we got wires coming out the bottom, not connected in here, coming down here. It used to be, looks like, from the landscape irrigation system, and now it's hot. So this is a live wire sticking out here, so that's a safety hazard. Say a small child comes through here, we're at the front of the house here, comes through here, pulls on this wire, they can get electrocuted. So this is a big safety issue, needs to be repaired. One of the biggest reasons you want to get a home inspection is to protect your investment. This is a safety hazard for not only the homeowner, but to the public around. For our home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspection 602-601-2977 or text 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspection.com. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.